Do you think you don't have enough lid space to achieve a cut crease? Well, conquer your fear of the cut crease. This tutorial will break down step by step so you can achieve this look with confidence. First, I always prep my lids with the NARS concealer from the pot, which is different than the Radiant Creamy concealer that I use to color correct. This one is more tacky and allows shadow to stick better, and then you use a setting powder over that so the shadows you're putting on top blend easily. Alright, now here we go. Take a fluffy brush with a medium brown shade and buff it into the crease and slightly above the crease so it looks blended. Then, with a slightly more dense brush, take a deeper color and go back into the crease, but not as far out as the previous shade. We're going to create a gradient. I also like to bend my head forward so I can cut out an imaginary crease line based on my eye being open. Then, with a dense brush, take the darkest shade and repeat the process. Create a fake crease while your eye is open and then blend it into your actual crease. Keep in mind your eye shape and follow that line. Now we're going to clean it up and really cut it. The cut of the cut crease. Take the same concealer and draw a fake cut crease with your eye open. Let it follow your natural crease but be slightly higher so it's visible when your eye is open. Go slow and take your time. You can see where my natural crease is versus where I'm putting the concealer. Then finally, set that with a shader brush and a neutral eyeshadow. Now, I personally like to take a shimmer shadow onto the lid that we created because I feel like it adds more dimension so the cut crease is more visible. Then for the cat eye effect, I take a dense brush and the medium crease shade and take it to the outer V. Then the same with the darkest crease color on the outermost V and blend it so the crease is more seamless. And really, that's it. It takes a lot of practice. I've been doing this for 8 years and it's one of my go-tos because it really enhances my eyes in photos and just makes them look so big and bright. If you're stuck, comment below with the hardest part and I'll help guide you through it. See you tomorrow.